Here's how to edit the columns that display in the visitors table inside Lucky Orange. The visitors table is a great place to find information about your site visitors, and we collect all kinds of data about people. To change which columns of data display inside the visitors table, to customize it for your needs, go to visitors in the left side nav, and then we'll go to this pencil icon in the top right corner of the table itself. If you hover, it says edit columns. We'll click on this and we'll open the view where we can edit columns. Now, the dark blue boxes that are at the top are your currently selected columns. If you want, you can drag and switch the order of these columns left and right. We can also pull something up from the bottom section of gray boxes here, such as IP address. We can pull that up to the dark blue bar, and now that will display inside the visitor table. Conversely, we can take something from this top and put it back down into the list in the bottom. This is a great way to customize the visitors table to show exactly what you're looking for, and it's easy to switch, change as needed.